Can domestic help be legally called during the COVID-19 lockdown?
I believe you are referring to house help and those.
Yeah, maids, house help, and
Correct.
domestic help.
So for instance, it's actually very difficult legally to classify domestic help because they're not a formal sector. They don't, unlike possibly the IT professionals or architects or advocates who have a set of who are a category by itself or a formal sector. The domestic help, unfortunately, is an informal sector. So for them to be called, they don't have a specific the lockdown guidelines, or the government has not made any specific provision for them to come. So they can come to anybody's house, or they can work in anybody's house should the lockdown guidelines open up. If, for instance, if the lockdown allows you for people to travel between 6 and 10, then the domestic help or house help, they can come and work between those times and help the family or help any household. So that is possible, but there is no specifically any provision to allow them, maybe give them access to moving around the city, moving around an area because they have to do domestic work. So there is no such provision yet. But if the lockdown allows the household, the members of the household to move, the same laws and the same provision will apply to the domestic help as well. So there is no specific distinction that has been made. So if you can move around, so can your house help, so can your domestic help, and they can come to your house to help.